Embark on an unparalleled journey where the sun-drenched savannas of Africa meet the mysterious, verdant heart of the jungle in one breathtaking expedition. This is not just a trip, it's an epic narrative where you are the main character, stepping into a world where the air thrums with the calls of the wild. From the open plains where the horizon stretches forever, to the dense, emerald canopy teeming with hidden life, this adventure is designed to blur the lines between two of the planet's most iconic ecosystems. Leopards are highly adaptable and can live in forests, mountains, grasslands, and even deserts. Leopards are mostly solitary and territorial animals. They are primarily active at night, nocturnal, hunting and patrolling their territory. Leopards often drag their prey up into trees to keep it safe from scavengers like hyenas. A hawk's eyesight is 8 times sharper than a human's. They can spot a mouse from a mile away. They have a high density of photoreceptors in their retinas, and a unique structure that acts like a telephoto lens. Powerful talons. Their feet are their primary weapons. They have sharp, curved talons for piercing and gripping prey. Moose are strong swimmers and can swim up to 6 miles, 10 kilometers, without stopping. They can even dive up to 20 feet, 6 m, underwater to feed. Moose are often found near lakes, rivers, and wetlands where they can access aquatic plants and cool off. Moose can be very dangerous, especially if threatened or during rutting season. They can even dive up to 20 feet, 6 m. Roosters are male chickens known for their loud crowing, which they often do at dawn to mark their territory and signal the start of a new day. Roosters use over 30 different sounds to communicate, from warning calls and mating dances to food discoveries and territorial claims. Roosters can see a wider range of colors than humans, including ultraviolet light, giving them excellent daytime vision. Roosters use wing flapping not just for balance, but also to show dominance, including ultraviolet light. Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. The king vulture is one of the most striking birds in the Americas, instantly recognizable by its bare, brightly colored head. Unlike the duller heads of most vultures, the king vulture's skin is a vibrant palette of orange, yellow, red, and blue, topped with a distinctive orange fleshy crest, or caruncle, on its beak. This lack of feathers is a practical adaptation for hygiene, or caruncle on its beak. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. Plains zebras form harems, one male with several females and foals, while Grevy's zebras are more solitary. Zebras live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands, shrublands, and even mountainous regions across eastern and southern Africa. Zebras are hindgut fermenters, meaning they digest food in their cecum and colon, allowing them to extract nutrients from low-quality forage. Zebras live in groups, herds, and often form strong family bonds. A goose is a large, graceful bird with a long neck and webbed feet, commonly found near lakes, rivers, and grassy fields. A goose can be very territorial and protective, especially during nesting season, when it may hiss or chase away threats. The goose honks while flying to stay connected with others, even when it's flying alone as part of its instinctual behavior. The goose builds its nest on the ground. Macaws are one of the longest living parrots, with many species living for 50 to 80 years, sometimes even longer in captivity. They play a vital role in their ecosystem. By eating fruits and nuts and flying long distances, they disperse seeds in their droppings, helping to regenerate the rainforest. Macaws are one of the longest living parrots, with many species living for 50 to 80 years, sometimes even longer in captivity. They play a vital role in their ecosystem. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores of food daily. Seagulls are incredibly intelligent and have learned to thrive in human environments. They are famous for tool use. Some gulls have been observed using bread as bait to fish. They will drop pieces of bread into the water to attract fish, then swoop down to catch them. Food theft. They will readily steal food from other birds, animals, and even humans. Seagulls are incredibly intelligent and have learned to thrive in human environments. They are famous for tool use.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats.
Giraffes were once thought to be silent, but they actually make low humming sounds, especially at night, to communicate. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Adult males can grow up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall. Giraffes are herbivores. They only eat plants, especially the leaves of acacia trees, which they love. Despite their size, giraffes can run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per h, for short distances. Giraffes were once thought to be silent, but they actually make low humming sounds. Cockatoos are highly intelligent and incredibly social creatures that form deep, lifelong bonds with their mates or human owners. This need for companionship makes them prone to psychological distress if neglected. They can develop severe separation anxiety, leading to destructive behaviors like feather plucking and self-mutilation if they feel lonely or bored. Cockatoos are highly intelligent and incredibly social creatures that form deep, lifelong bonds with their mates or human owners. This need for companionship makes them prone to psychological distress if neglected. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult males. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, Prepare to have your senses awakened and your spirit of discovery ignited as you explore these contrasting yet equally magnificent realms. Your journey begins under the vast African sky, a stage for some of the most iconic and dramatic avian displays on Earth. Witness the effortless soar of the majestic fish eagle, its piercing cry the quintessential sound of the wilderness, a flightless giant sprinting across the plains.